Hi, I'm going to teach you how to go from this to this on your containers with the new vinyl. So this is a really fairly easy process. You're going to take your vinyl panel and using the line that shows the center, you're going to line that up with where the color changes on the container. Tape it down on one end, go to the other end, line that side up and tape that down, and you're going to tape it off across the whole center. And you'll see why you do that in a minute. I like to put both panels on just so that I can line it all up good, make sure everything looks even. Now you're going to go from one end and you're going to slowly peel off, starting in the corner. You're going to peel off the transfer tape and the vinyl off the backing paper, and you're going to peel that all the way back to your center line tape. Once you get to the center, you're going to slowly and carefully peel and tear the backing paper off, and then with the squeegee, bring your paper around and gently rub it into the container just enough to get it to stick. You don't need to worry about sticking it real good right now at this point. You just want it to stick to the container. Go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Be careful on windy days. Wind can both be your enemy and your helper. So learn how to figure out how to use the wind to help you. But you're going to go over again just lightly, just enough to stick the vinyl down. Once you get it stuck down, you're going to go over all the vinyl and press firmly with your squeegee to really get it to stick. This is also when you can go back and help push out any bubbles that you get behind it, and you will get some. This is why you don't press it down firmly to begin with. You just go over lightly, come back, go over all the vinyl, and get it nice and firm with your squeegee and press it into the container. You're going to do that with the entire vinyl. You don't really want to press it down on the entire tape, because if your paint isn't completely dry, the tape will peel the paint off. So I usually just go over just the vinyl areas and leave the rest of the transfer tape alone. It also makes it easier to peel too. Once you've gone over everything, you grab a corner and slowly and firmly with both hands peel the tape off. If as you're going, one of the letters of the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape but not the container, just roll it back, press it with your finger, and the tape should come right off. Now once I get done peeling it, I like to go over it with a rag just to help press the adhesive into the container. It helps it stick better, and it also helps the vinyl form to the defects that might be in the can. Like if you get dings or dents and things, you can really press the vinyl into it and get a much better stick. And that's it. You're done.